Alrighty guys, I was on break at work and I was scrolling through some photos and old videos of me catching some fish, and I happened to scroll past a couple clips of me catching some nice redfish. Well, not nice redfish, but tiny redfish and a black drum in my creek. This was filmed back in September of 2019 and I happened to find it, and it actually made a video. I want videos to be 4 minutes or longer, so this was actually a video that I can upload. So I hope you enjoy the lost footage of me catching some tiny redfish and black drum in my creek. Nice little red. Just got my little piece of shrimp. Barely hooked. Barely hooked. Using my weak hand. Here we go. Come here, buddy. Might be a better one. Yep. Same size. A little bit better. Red. Swimming off my drumming, boys.
Cool little backdrop.
Alrighty guys, I hope you liked that video. I was just scrolling through my old photos and videos at work while I was on break, and I happened to find some lost footage in there of me catching some tiny reds and black drum. But I hope you like this video, guys, and as always, keep reeling, never stop. Catch you in the next video, guys. Peace out.